Participate.
Attends. Asked
As
a
a
hen
hen. No, said the hen. Are you my mother? The baby bird asked a dog. Are you not your mother? I am a dog, said the dog. Are you my mother? The baby bird.
The baby bird
Asked the cow.
Olivia, read.
How could I be your mother? Said the cow. I am a cow.
C'est bien, Lily.
The baby bird stopped.
Stop to think.
Stop to think. The kitten and the hen were not his mother. The